Hello, welcome to this week's episode of Empress Sailing.
In this week's episode, we find ourselves in hospital, say goodbye to some old friends, go surfing with our new surfboard, and restore our lighthouse. At 9:30 at night, Fleur trips over her own pants, falls and hits her nose against the dining table. So we rush to the hospital with an Uber to check if her nose is not broken.
Looks okay.
But usually it's you do and they post it. You don't have lots of pain, you are good. I don't know if here...
Luckily, it's an almost fracture. So all is good. We catch an Uber to go to the Decathlon and catch up with the Dali crew, who we met in Cascais. To say goodbye, because they're leaving for Madeira.
Stork's living up there. Swimming. Oh yeah.
And I couldn't skimboard.
Oh, is that what you're... I saw it, yeah. Go, go, go! Ice cream's melting. Go, think fair for ours. Go. Ready, steady, go!
Bye-bye! While I start with a long list of boat jobs, the girls go and check out the beach. Michelle is going with Anouk to check out Lagos and the skate park.
Can I get it? No, I'm not going to get a haircut. Oh yeah, I could get a haircut. Yeah. It's so beautiful and smooth. Woo! She did it! Yes! Well done. Figure out where we are. So we had lots of fun at the bridge is opening. Is it opening? Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Lots of fun at the skate park. Now time for some lunch. What are you doing?
Just a little jobs. Haven't done yet. It's time for now. Like servicing engines, fixing wiring.
I see. So we've managed to get Fleur out of the boat. Glorious sunshiny day. But she's still gaming. Help! My child's a gamer! Yeah, nice. Hey. So how's the water? Is it cold? Get a stick.
Get a stick. Big bamboo stick.
Cool, man. Alright, up you go. Go in the water, maybe put the goggles on the right way around.
But if I were I'd go to Japan, swim, learn to speak French. Something you can only if I were a man.
Okay, bye!
Bye-bye.
Michelle decides to take the girls out of the boat in search of the library to go and do some schoolwork.
Look at you, want extra chocolate. I know.
And look what we found. The library. There's always a car coming.
Because Lagos is such a good surfing destination, we decided to buy the girls a surfboard.
Yes. There you go.
Oh wow.
5'11".
Yeah, get fit on that, Fleur. See if you can get your arms around it.
Yeah.
Pedal, pedal, pedal.
It looks so small.
That's good.
It's a board that actually even an adult can surf.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's really good amount of volume. The good thing about the particular thing about these boards, they have a box in the bottom.
Yes.
And they have a line of soft, right? So they serve as a hardboard already. So it's really going to help you with improvement. Exactly. Yeah, that's the one.
Cool.
Okay, that's mild. Okay, let's go.
Awesome. You got it, Fleur? How are you going to carry it?
Dali sup? What should we name the surfboard?
Bluey.
Yeah, Bluey! Diddly did. The motor's Bluey.
Okay, what are we going to call this one?
Blueberry! No, it has to start with an S. Because it's a surfboard. An S or a B?
Cerulean.
An S or a B? Sesame. No, that's not me. Sesame. Sesame? No. Sapphire.
Pretty cool, F. Look.
Sapphire. Sapphire. Sapphire.
Sapphire.
Sapphire with a surfboard.
Alright, let's go surfing. Doesn't need to come out all the way. Oh, okay.
No, no. Like free fall.
Oh, really? Is that what you're doing?
Oh, and then one here. Oh, yeah. Here we are. Go.
Oh my god. Decent waves too. How's your first surf in Lagos, Fleur?
Amazing! That felt so cool. I'm just kind of annoyed that I keep falling off when I try to stand up. Probably gonna want to try and walk off the surfboard.
When exploring Lagos, the girls found a awesome science museum, which they went to check out.
Yeah, can you check the surf from here? There's not much surf today, is there? You did it! What are you doing?
The walls before Texas on the storm. The storm coming.
You've just read the instructions out for an oak.
Okay, you have to open. It seems like you just go easy. Just put that in there.
But it's not
Def-
that easy.
No, you'll have to have new eyes. You're supposed to actually put this in here and twist this. And then you're like, I can't twist it. And then you twist it a little bit more. And then we should go. Ta-da!
Oh, the whole thing opened. Oh, beautiful treasure. Oh, light shining out of it. Ta-da! Well done, Anouk. Thanks for helping with the instructions, Fleur.
We hope you liked this episode. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. We always love to read your comments. Hope to see you next week. Bye.
Just walk normally.